For part 3 of our Healthy Habits series, we are learning about flossing your teeth to keep your smile beautiful. Let's go! Smile! When we do, people see our teeth. But do they see everything? Each tooth has 5 surfaces. They aren't all easy to see. Some aren't even easy to reach when you're brushing your teeth. A toothbrush does not fit everywhere. Brushing only cleans part of each tooth. How often do you brush your teeth? Let me know down below. Food gets stuck between teeth. It forms plaque. Plaque leads to cavities and it hurts our gums too. That's why we floss. Good hygiene keeps our mouth clean. Flossing is part of good hygiene. Floss is a soft string like this that people use to clean between their teeth. Dentists explain how to floss. People should floss at least once a day. What is your favorite part about going to the dentist? Let me know down below. Some people use floss holders like her, while others hold floss in their fingers. Be sure to tear off enough floss and it should wrap around your index finger and middle finger like this. Begin at the back of your mouth. Then slowly move it towards the front. Slide the floss between 2 teeth. Start flossing when you reach the gum. Push and pull the floss against each tooth. Move the floss up and down in the spaces between the teeth. Throw the floss away when you're done. Did you know that flossing protects the whole mouth? Brushing alone isn't enough. You need to floss to keep your smile healthy. What are some of your healthy habits? Let me know down below. Now let's go through some new words we learned in today's book. The first word is cavities, which are the areas where teeth have rotted away. Gums are areas of firm pink flesh that cover parts of the teeth and inner jaw. Hygiene is keeping yourself clean or other actions that support good health. Index finger is the finger closest to your thumb. This one. Plaque is a soft, sticky film on teeth that contains bacteria. And finally, surface is the outside or outermost layer of something. Now it's your turn. What do you think about flossing your teeth? And what are some things you learned in today's book about floss? Let me know down below. Take some time to think about it. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson for some more learning fun. That's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.